Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechSol. Today I have a new package with me, which is the screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which I will be applying over my phone. This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although I'm not much big fan of screen protectors and cases, but considering my history with phones, every single phones which I purchased has broken, especially the screen. There is some screen damage. So even this phone had a screen damage which got repaired few days back. So the repair cost of the screen is too high, which cost me hell amount of money. So now I have decided to apply this screen protector on this phone. So let's unbox it first. Before I go further, let me tell you that this I ordered from Amazon for almost 300 rupees, 3 to 4, yeah, 300 rupees. And let's unbox it and see. So let me open this box. I think this will open from here. So okay, uh, let me keep this aside. So this is what we get in the box. I think this must be some cleaning cloth, and this one is I think UV light, which for which I have kept this power bank, which will use to glow this UV light, and this must be some I think UV glue. This is UV glue which I need to put it on the screen and then apply the screen protector, and this is the final product, which is screen protector. So I think this is the one. This is the curved one, so if you look at the edges, it's bit curved, right? So even the screen, if I apply it on the screen, it should fit, right? Yeah, it's almost perfect fit. I think it is little bit shorter from the edges. So if you see, if I keep, there's a little bit of gap here, and same goes here. So yeah, okay, that is fine, I think. So let's apply this. So first step is to, I think, clean the screen. So I'll put this aside for now, and I'll clean my phone. So for cleaning part, I think I need to. There must be something in this packet. Let's tear down. Okay, so there are two things. This is glue sticker, side sticker, and dust absorbent. Okay, I think I need to put this sticker somewhere on the phone. So let's, okay, I have removed the speaker. I'll put it here so that uh, this will be protected. Let's do it more precisely. Okay, here we go. So I have applied it here, and the another one I applied here. Okay, this I'll apply it here. Okay, so now let's apply this. So first we need to clean the screen. So for cleaning the screen, we have wet wipes. Let me open it from here. So this is wet wipes. I need to clean the screen first. So I have put this one sticker above and one below. This one to make sure that mic is covered properly. And then I'm cleaning the screen with the wet wipes. So this is cleaned. Make sure there is no. Once cleaned with the wet wipe, let's clean with the dry one. Okay, now once this is done, let's keep this aside, and now it's time to apply it. So this is the glue, UV glue. I need to put almost 50 to 60% of the glue here. So I'll put it. So this, I put this glue here, and on this glue I need to apply this one. So how do I apply this? This is the screen protector. I'll remove this. It's good. I'll peel this off. And let's apply this. So I'll align it first. I'll let it spread everywhere. Glue. Spreading. If needed, I'll just. Okay. So now it's all set. If needed, I will align it somewhat. So this is perfect fit, not too high, not too down, just in the middle. Now it's time to apply the UV light. So whatever the excess glue is there, I will just wipe it from the sides and here as well. Align it again. This seems to be perfect, and I'll just keep it here. Yeah, it's time to now apply this. Use this LED, see UV light. So I need to apply it here. We need to keep it like repeating this for 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes, so that the glue will stick properly. On the corner, we need to be careful and make sure that the corner also sticks properly. I think it's complete. So let's see how is the result. I'll wipe it again. I'll also remove the sticker. Now let's see application is how good. I think there are no bubbles at all. This is just a glue. See here, all good, perfect. Now let's boot the phone. Perfect. I'll just try to use the working. That's fine. So no issues at all. It's working. So thanks for watching. So this is a successful application on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This was the product, and we applied the screen protector successfully. In the next video, I have also ordered one cover. So I will be applying that as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.